Hey guys, we're in a 2008 Toyota Prius and I want to show you something. Look at this dash over here where the glove boxes are, and to be exact, this area right here. See this hump right here? I've noticed the older these cars get, the more of them have this hump. I actually have two Priuses and they both have this hump. This one has it a little more than the other one. I don't know what it is, but with age, actually I do know what it is, and I want to show you what's causing this. It's actually this part right, this glove box, the upper one. So see, if I push it, it doesn't go up like it's supposed to. It just kind of hangs. So actually there's a spring back here that I think breaks loose and pries into this thing. So the only thing that's holding this thing from opening, as you can see when I push on it, the lid goes up a little bit. So this glove box actually is prying this up, this part of the dashboard. So anyways, let's take it off and take a better look at what's going on. So you are going to have two clips here, little covers here that you got to take off. Once you get the covers off, there's two Phillips screws there, and once you get the two Phillips screws out, and then this thing should just pop right off. Let's see, pull on it. Okay, let me get this stuff out of there. There we go. So it just comes right off. And you can see there's their airbag back there. But here's the situation basically. There's a screw here that holds the dashboard, where you see how this is really warped here? Yeah. So this needs to get used to going back down. And here's our situation. Let's look at this glove box here. Here it is. So on top of it here, there's the glove box, the way it sits. And on top here you can see that the spring is supposed to be, it's a pretty strong spring. It's right there. It's supposed to be right there, but it just popped right off. And so this spring right here is pushing against this dashboard here. Because it goes back right there, but I'm thinking like a screw maybe. Screw it down through here. Yeah, it'll come out on this side, but it doesn't really, it's deep in the glove box and you won't really see it. So that's what I'm thinking. So let's see if we can figure out how to get this thing. Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen, and here's what I'm going to do. I got a couple screws here and a little washer that I'll put the screw through so it's wider. And I'm going to try to screw it right here somewhere in the corner where it pushes the spring down and locks it in there. So alright guys, so I put that one screw in there and I think that's plenty. It's actually holding real good. There is a little part that sticks out, so I guess it's possible you could scratch your hand in, but it's so high up and you normally never go in there anyways. It's in that very corner, so should be totally fine. Alright, so we're back at the car, and as you can see I got an umbrella actually kind of pushing down on this dashboard here to try to even it out. So glove bag's back in, and as you can see guys, it's holding itself no problem already. Look at that. Not a problem. Opens right up. Let's see. Yeah, and you can't tell anything. It's nice and clean. So yeah, it looks like there's still a little hump here, as you can see. I think I'll have to put this umbrella back in here for a little while until it gets this thing used to. But in the sun I'm sure it will. Yeah, I'm gonna put the screws back in, and basically we'll be done. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, this thing will have to get used to being down, but when it does go down it looks perfect. So but anyways, I think eventually it'll go down. I'll probably put something either really heavy in here or try to pry it down with something. So yeah, if you're wondering what that mysterious bump is, it's from this guy, and you know, and why it doesn't work, that's why. So anyways, I gotta do a couple more things. Probably need to fix this guy. Thanks for watching this video, and check out my other Prius videos and other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.